think I'm in trouble. I paid Candace $500 to get the board. Now, Candace, I need you just donate it to the school and it'll be cool, all right? And Professor Nichols, I know I gave you some money, just get it to the school. It'll be clean. Am I right now?
Yeah.
I don't even know why I'm getting this award. I said, you know, I thank you, Candace. But I said, you know, when I thought about what I was going to say when I came here today, I said, well, you know what, I'm going to keep it real, lawyer. So I'm going to keep it real with you. I did not want to be a lawyer under any circumstance. I didn't watch any law shows. I didn't go down to court. I didn't know any lawyers. I had no desire. But what happened is I went to Cheney University, the only school out there. And I got arrested my last year for something I didn't do. We're not even going to go into that. We'll talk about that later. So anyway, I had to hire a lawyer. Come from, you know, my mom, single parent, 5 girls, we didn't have any money. So we had to find a lawyer. And we decided we wanted a lawyer who looked like us. So we found a lawyer, a male lawyer, and I'm not going to, you know, disclose his name. And he was to represent me. And I went to him, I told him the story, and he said, okay. And I said, you know, you're going to fight for me? He said, yes, I'm going to fight for you. I said, okay, good. You know, because I didn't do this, blah, blah, blah. Well, he told me he was going to fight for me. But every time I saw him, he asked for more money. And more money, and more money. And I was like, is he even hearing my story? And then, when he said to me, you know, I'm going to get you 2 to 4, I was like, 2 to 4 what? You know, he said, well, you know, just, you know, you're just going to do a little bit of time. I said, oh, not here. No, I don't do time, I don't do probation, I definitely don't do parole. So, Stacy Shields went to the library. I didn't know what I was looking for, but I knew I had to find these defenses to get myself out of this situation I had no business being, because I didn't do it. So, got all the information. You know, I was, you know, fed it to him, you're going to do this, you're going to do this, you're going to do this. He did it, and I beat the case. Then I told him, who did not care about me, I'm going to law school. And I'm going to make sure that people like you don't represent people like me. So I'm putting this out to you today, to tell you tonight, to tell you this. Make sure you care about everybody you represent. Don't go out there and just let it be about the money. Make sure you care about that person, because it might be Stacy Shields on the other end who's going to remember that, who's going to go to law school and is going to take all your business. Okay? Because that's what's going to happen. All right? So, you know, we get caught up, I agree with Leon, we get caught up in the money, we get caught up in this. We don't do enough, Nikki, you know, give it back. I understand that all day long. But no matter what, you need to care about that person on the other end. If you don't care about them, don't represent them. Because you're not going to represent them properly. There is no amount of money that means more than caring about that person right there. Pass it up. The reason God made so many people, there's going to be plenty of clients out there. Plenty. There's going to be plenty of people. Yeah, everybody's going to like you. You're not going to like everybody back, so don't represent them. If you just keep it, if you just care, you'll go so much further. You know, you'll be so successful. And I just want you to tag on one thing that you said, Nikki, that, hey, make sure that you do give back. Don't be afraid, right, you know, to do something for somebody who comes in who really can't afford it. Don't be afraid. Give them a payment plan. Someone think that's going to payment plan. You gave back. Don't worry about it. You know, you got a little bit of that. So don't worry. Yeah, we need to make money, you know, I agree, but we don't want to get caught up. I, unfortunately, you know, I'm sure Professor Nichols knows, you know, I have someone who graduated with me who's getting ready to go to jail because he got caught up in that money. Okay? From Widener, unfortunately. So I said, so just my calls you, because I'm just keeping it real. Care about the person on the other end, and you'll go far. Okay? Thank you.